Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of ProtonVPN and Surfshark. If you've been searching for a VPN, chances are that you've seen both of these services recommended everywhere. They're both fast, packed with security tools, and designed to help protect your privacy online. But they approach things very differently. So in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know before choosing one. Let's get started. ProtonVPN is made by the same company behind ProtonMail, which is one of the most well-known encrypted email services in the world. The company has built its entire reputation around privacy and security. That's a huge reason why many people trust ProtonVPN. Unlike some VPN companies that feel more like marketing brands, ProtonVPN positions itself as a true privacy-focused technology company. Their headquarters are in Switzerland, which is important because Switzerland has strong privacy laws and sits outside surveillance alliances like the Five Eyes. And honestly, you can feel that security-first mindset throughout the entire platform. When you open ProtonVPN, the interface feels professional and clean. It's not overly flashy. Instead, it focuses on giving users powerful privacy tools without making things too complicated. So overall, ProtonVPN feels like a premium VPN built primarily for people who value trust, privacy, and long-term security. Now let's talk about Surfshark. Surfshark has grown incredibly fast over the last few years and has become one of the most popular VPN services globally. Unlike ProtonVPN, which markets itself mainly around privacy and transparency, Surfshark focuses more on delivering an all-in-one cybersecurity package at a very affordable price. And honestly, the strategy has worked extremely well. One of the first things people notice about Surfshark is how beginner-friendly it is. Most VPN providers limit you to around 5 to 10 devices, but Surfshark allows you to connect unlimited devices on a single subscription. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. We'll start with ProtonVPN. First is Secure Core. This is probably ProtonVPN's most unique feature. It routes your traffic through multiple hardened servers before exiting to the internet, adding an extra layer of anonymity. Next is NetShield. This blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites, helping improve both privacy and browsing speed. Third is strong encryption and protocols. ProtonVPN supports WireGuard, OpenVPN, and other secure protocols with AES-256 encryption. Another great feature is Tor over VPN support. This allows users to connect directly to the Tor network through special servers without needing a separate Tor browser setup. They also offer kill switch protection, DNS leak protection, split tunneling, P2P and torrent support, high-speed servers worldwide, streaming supports, and open source applications. And again, the transparency factor is huge here. Few VPN companies are as open about their infrastructure and security practices as ProtonVPN. Now for Surfshark features. First, unlimited device support. This alone can save people a lot of money because one account can cover an entire household. Next is Clean Web. This blocks ads, trackers, phishing attempts, and malware. Third is Dynamic Multi-Hop. This is Surfshark's version of double VPN routing, allowing traffic to pass through 2 VPN servers instead of one. They also offer WireGuard support, AES-256 encryption, kill switch, split tunneling, camouflage mode, no borders mode for restricted regions, and dedicated IP options. Also antivirus on certain plans, and identity monitoring tools. Surfshark also performs extremely well for streaming and gaming thanks to its fast server infrastructure. So feature-wise, Surfshark honestly gives users a massive amount of value for their money. Now what is the pricing like? For ProtonVPN, there's a free plan at no cost per month. There's a VPN Plus plan at $2.99 per month. And there's Proton Unlimited at $7.99 per month. Now, these prices go for when you subscribe for 2 years. If you want to do a yearly one, it's $3.99 per month and $9.99 per month respectively. But if you want to do a monthly plan, the prices go way up. Now with Surfshark, there's a starter plan also for a 2-year plan at $1.99 per month and you get 3 extra months. A Surfshark One plan at $2.49 per month plus 3 extra months. And a Surfshark One Plus plan at $4.19 per month plus 3 extra months. That's if you're doing 2 years. For 12 months, the price changes, 12 months which is a year. And if you want to do a monthly plan, the prices also go way up. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For ProtonVPN, has excellent privacy reputation, open source apps, Swiss jurisdiction with strong privacy laws, and secure core architecture. And the pros of using Surfshark? Affordable pricing, unlimited device connections, very beginner friendly, and excellent streaming service. Lots of extra security tools as well. How about the cons of using Proton? It's more expensive than many competitors, and the interface can feel slightly technical for beginners. And for Surfshark, the cons? It's more commercially focused than ProtonVPN, and certain extra features are locked behind the higher tier plans. So which VPN is actually the most secure? Well, if we're talking strictly about security, privacy philosophy, transparency and trust, I will give the edge to ProtonVPN. Now that doesn't mean Surfshark is insecure, not at all. But if you want a balance between security, affordability, speed, streaming performance and convenience, Surfshark offers incredible value. And that's it on the comparison between ProtonVPN and Surfshark. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore NordVPN, ExpressVPN and Mulvad VPN. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.